Little storyteller.
Lily's room was a rainbow of toys scattered everywhere. A fluffy bunny with one floppy ear lay near a tower of colorful blocks. A bright red race car sat halfway under a soft blue rug. Lily loved to play, but when it was time to tidy up, she would sigh. Today she wanted to hide the mess before her mom came in. She tried to push everything under the rug, but it made a big, bumpy mountain. Her wise old teddy bear, Barnaby, sat on the shelf, watching with his button eyes. "Lily," he said in a soft, fuzzy voice, "hiding the mess doesn't make it go away." Lily looked at the lumpy rug and frowned. Barnaby continued, "What if we put all the toys in their homes?" Lily looked around. There were colorful bins with labels showing pictures of different toys. "You mean like putting the blocks in the block bin and the cars in the car bin?" she asked. Barnaby nodded his fluffy head. "Exactly. It's like giving each toy a cozy bed to sleep in until playtime." Together, Lily and Barnaby started to tidy. Lily picked up the fluffy bunny and placed it gently in the soft toy bin. Then she gathered the colorful blocks and put them in the block bin. The bright red race car zoomed into the car bin. It was actually quite fun putting everything away. Soon the room looked neat and tidy. The rug was flat and all the toys were in their bins. Lily smiled. "Wow, Barnaby, it's so much easier to see all my toys now." Barnaby chuckled. "And next time you want to play, you'll know exactly where everything is." Lily realized that keeping her toys organized wasn't just about tidying up. It made playtime even better. When everything has a place, it's easier to find and more fun to play.
Please subscribe. Thank you.